Hi, this is Alicia from Bitagenius, and today I'm going to teach you how to manage your students' games in Pixicade Education Edition. You can monitor and review your students' games by viewing their profile. View other users' profiles by tapping on their username in Create and Manage Users, or by tapping their username in the Pause, Win, or Lose screens. Admins and teachers can view all of their students' games, both shared and unshared. You will be able to play, delete, unshare, and copy their games. When you delete or unshare a game, a copy of it will be created for your records. Only other admins and teachers will be able to see these archived games. Students and viewers can also view other users' profiles, but they can only see games shared to the courses that they are also in, and do not have the ability to delete, unshare, or copy the games. Communicate with your students, answer questions, and make suggestions on their games. Send and receive comments from your students by clicking the comment button on the top left of the gameplay screen or the button on the game preview. Comments can only be seen and sent between a student and the teachers or admins in that course. You will see a red icon on games that have unread comments. You can view all games with unread comments by going into the Messages tab in the arcade. There are tons of features available in Pixicade Education Edition. Click the annotation in the top right corner to see a playlist full of step-by-step tutorials about how to create users, courses, lessons, share games, and so much more. We recommend watching the playlist in order for the best experience possible. If you have any more questions, you can email us at education@bitagenius.com, and we are happy to help you. We hope that you and your students enjoy creating and playing your own video games with Pixicade Mobile Game Maker.